So found our third geocache. Hidden right here in this tree. See what's in it. How do I open this one? Did you hear it say something? That's funny. Here's the list of people signing up. Let's see what else is in here. What is this?
Do-rag.
Do-rag. Instructions. Plaque. Ooh, made $1. I'm taking $1. Watch. Funny giraffe. Hat. Pearls.
Grandma's pearls.
Grandma's pearls. A lot of pins and stuff and compasses.
Cool.
So we're gonna sign it.
Ah!